Hello friends, welcome to Bicaps once again, and today it's a very quick and short lesson but a very useful one and a very impressive one. So it's about getting the data from a website right into your Google Sheets, and that too on a real-time basis. For that, let me just open up a blank Google Sheet for you first. And let's say in this Google Sheet I want the list of all the GST notifications the government has issued, and I want it to auto-populate on real-time basis. So let's name this sheet as GST notifications. Now let's quickly open up the GST website and get the notifications. So GST notifications, and let's say CTR notifications. Okay. So these are the CTR notifications that I want, the list of these notifications that I want right over here in my Google Sheet. So the function that we use is import HTML. And import HTML, the first thing is the URL. So you know how to get the URL of a web page. So copy and paste, comma. Now the query. So the query has only two options, either a table or a list. So this is a table. This is a table. As we can see, it has rows and columns. So I specify it as a table. Now the third thing is index. So the table index, that means what is the sequence of this table on this particular web page. So this is table number 1, this is table number 2, and this seems to be table number 3. And let's try by putting 3 over here. Yeah, here you go. So did you see? All the notification list comes over here as a table in your Google Sheet. Isn't it cool? Okay, so now next thing what I want to do with this table is I want to see only the first and the last column, because these two columns are solving no purpose. So in my earlier lesson I told about the query function. So let's write query. So query asks for data that you have already given it. Now comma, it asks for query. So query is select column 1 and column 4. And it asks for header row. Yes, there is one header row. And now you see that you got the two columns that are of use. Now you can find out a use as per your own convenience. I just had to explain the function, right? And I did so with an example, and clubbing it with lots of various other features of Google Sheets, Google App Scripts. You can do a lot of stuff with it. Now let's try once more with some other database. So let's see Wikipedia, and let's open up some web page in Wikipedia. So let's say states in India. So let's try this once. So I'm also doing it for the first time. So the list of states, it's right here. It's also in the form of table. I thought it would be a list, but okay, no problem, it's a table as well. So let's try equals to import HTML URL, copy, paste, query. So it's again a table, and the index. So index, I think it should be 1 and 2, I guess. So let's try 2. If it doesn't happen, we can have trial and error. No, it's not the second table. So let's have 3, 4, whatever we can try. Okay, 3. No, it's not. Okay, let's try 4. Yes. So finally we got it with all the data, right? The name of the state. I don't know what this ISO means. The vehicle code, the zone, the capital, which is the largest city, the statehood, population, area, official languages. How easily you can use all this data in a lot of stuff. Like now let's say, just an example, let's say you want the data in a Google form. In Google form you want to populate the list of states. You want a user to select his or her state. So you can actually bring the data here and then use the form ranger add-on and actually have this list in your Google form for the user to select. So this import HTML, I found it to be a very cool thing. So I thought of sharing it with you. If you liked this particular video, please hit on the like button and share it with your friends as well. And do not forget to subscribe the channel if you have not done it so far. And we will be bringing lot more videos for you in future. And not just restricting ourselves to Google Sheets, we will be bringing lots of other automation solutions which are available to a normal professional who is not an IT professional, available to a normal professional, and with which the professionals can actually automate the lot of work and increase their efficiency. So support us by subscribing, liking, and also comment in the comment section if you want us to take any particular topic, or if you have a problem in your data automation and you want us to actually address to it. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much.